Hello everyone! Welcome to Sookiri TV. I am Batman the Vampire. Let me read the 10 blasting facts roaming inside my chest. What do you call a dinosaur that is sleeping? A dino snore. What is fast, loud, and crunchy? A rocket chip. Why did the teddy bear say no to dessert? Because she was stuffed. What has ears but cannot hear? Cornfield. What did the left eye say to the right eye? Between us, something smells. What do you get when you cross a vampire with a snowman? Frostbite. What did one plate say to the other plate? Dinner is on me. Why did the student eat his homework? Because the teacher told him it was a piece of cake. When you look for something, why is it always in the last place you look? Because when you find it, you stop looking. What is brown, hairy, and wears sunglasses? A coconut on vacation. See you next time with more roaming facts.